All right. Pipe number 2. Shoot. I did not see that. Wow, it's already bonded. Do pipe number 2 here. Wow, it's already stuck there. Oh man. Okay. I think that's it. Done. Done. Of course, that break was mine. I cut that line trying to find the main pipes, but that's good. Done. That's it. So I'll probably wait till about 3, maybe 4. Turn this thing on. See what happens. And then I have some heads that may be damaged because when the guy aerated this, I didn't know where the heads were. So, but anyways, they're easy enough to replace or fix or whatever. So that's not going to be a big deal. Alrighty. Station 1. Station 2, which that made me a little nervous because it didn't come on right away. So, there's 6. Okay, I have a leak there in station 4. 5. Just popped up there. And I'm not sure. If I have, there, it's popped up back there, and, right there. So I have that one. So this section is working fine. Well, I'm not done. When I was testing this, there's a cut diagonally right there because of that line. My roommate had to have, I don't know, fast-speed internet, and they buried the line. I just didn't think they buried it that deep, and they cut the line. So I can't get station 3 or 4 to come on because I got 2 more cuts that I know of. So I knew when I found out they had to bury that line, I almost told them not to do it because I had a feeling this was going to happen, because that line runs to the house all the way down through there, and until I get all of this running, which means once I get that reconnected, so I got 2 more of these to do, to see what else has been cut, because I know I have something coming through here. So anyways, I got a little more work to do on this station, the station I need to. That's it. I'm done for today. I'm tired of digging holes. And the one section that I knew I was going to have a problem with, I'm not done yet, because I found that. But here's the good news. The electricity, none of the cables have been cut. So the system works. It's just patching it up. So, and with that, it should be pretty easy. But I got to let that dry. I turned the water off to this, and we'll tackle it next weekend.